Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot directly into your Outlook inbox so you can track emails and access your sales tools without ever switching tabs. Because Microsoft recently updated the new Outlook for Windows, the old desktop add-in is actually no longer supported. Instead, we're going to use the HubSpot Sales Office 365 web add-in, which is great because it works perfectly across PC, Mac, and Office Online. To get started, head over to the Microsoft Apps Source website and search for the HubSpot Sales add-in. Once you're on the official page, click the Get It Now button located on the left sidebar. A dialog box will pop up, so just go ahead and click Continue. You'll then be automatically redirected to your Office 365 account, where you simply click Add to finalize the installation. By the way, if you're an Office 365 administrator for your company, you can actually deploy this centrally to your entire organization, so your team doesn't have to install it individually. Once it's fully set up, you'll have instant access to all of your HubSpot templates, documents, and sequences right from your standard Outlook Composer. If this quick setup guide helped you streamline your inbox today, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other integrations you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching.